Alright guys, using the box cutter, unboxing the what you call this, oh la la, camshaft. They call it the camshaft. That's right guys, camshaft, campfire. Check it out. Campfire, little campfire right there guys. Let's check it out. Unboxing guys, the little red campfire. Alright guys, you can use the portable propane. There's a stabilizer thing, there's a bag to carry. Now you can cook. They have that thing there on top. Campfire cooktop. Propane adapter. Oh, that's the accessories. Oh la la. There's some scratch, guys. Scratch. Mark. Cheap. What's going on in this one? Operation manual here. Propane by Camco. Alright. That's how big it is, guys. Let's open, guys. Let's see what's inside. Right there, guys. That's what you can see inside. The rocks. Try this one, guys. There's a propane hose underneath. The little portable thing. Oh, it's a long one. Nice. Very long. Now we can connect this thing here. Adjustment control. Now let's try. Alright, I got a lighter here. Let's try. It's open. Right there. Right there, guys. Ooh la la. I love it. Open. It's only a trial, guys. Everything's good. So far, so good. We have some rocks also. This rocks is designed on top. Let's see. I believe like this. That's a fake. See this, guys. This is how you gonna do it. It's a fake rock. Oh la la. Right there, guys. Let's try dark one. So you're gonna do it. That's how strong it is, guys. It's not bad. Right there. RED Campfire, guys. have a portable fire pit now. Even there's a fire burn. Then you can control. It's a long hose right there. That's lower. Oh, where's the lighter now? Oops, right there, guys. Make it stronger. Right there. Happy together. Portable. Using portable small propane. Nice. Bye bye, TubeU. That's the Camco little red campfire right there, guys.